So welcome back to my channel. I'm Lisa Niktash. I'm going to be creating a wedding decor, and this one is for the ceremony area, and it's going to be by the pergola. So you can put this in the event area, on the floor, on a table. It's basically a very quick tutorial. So here I got a planter, and I got this from Walmart. Yes, I got it from Walmart, and you can use this for anything. It looks like a planter. I'm calling it a planter. And what I'm going to be doing with this is kind of like jazz it up. And I came up with this idea to wrap it in wool. And again, I'm going to be making 2 of these, and they're going to go on the pergola by the 2 posts of the pergola. So this piece of wool as well is really fluffy and soft, and I got this at Walmart as well. And this was probably, I think, around $2 and change. And this was, I feel, was like $6 or $9. All right, so let's get right into the video. And what I'm going to be using to glue the wool is my hot glue. Okay, so I'm going to start with my glue gun and just the wool. Place a small drop at the base, like so. Get that wool on there. Okay, give it a little tug and it's good to go. And I'm just going to be wrapping this all the way around to the top of this planter here, or jug, metal jug, whatever you want to call it. And there you have it. And it's so cute, unusual. So it's nice and soft because it's wool, and it's just a unique design. I just came up with this, and I love it. So now I'm going to go ahead and add the flowers. I'm going to use a large half circle foam. I got this at Walmart. It was like $6 and change. And I'm going to turn it, instead of like this, I'm going to turn it the other way. I got a bunch of greenery, Walmart. These were I think $2, around that ballpark. And these are seeded eucalyptus bush. Very nice, and they're really, the leaves are soft, like kind of velvety. It's really nice. This, Walmart. These are cherry blossoms. They're really pretty. So I'm going to put around 6 of these, and this, and these green leafy greenery here. These leafy greenery here, Walmart. These are the one, my favorite, with the little wispies on them. I'm going to put 4 of them in here, and then I have 6 hydrangeas, and these are also from Walmart. I'm also going to be putting some of these little ones in there, and these were like 97 cents at Walmart. And this, I cut 3 of the stems off this. So it's definitely under $100. Remember, they're silk flowers, and silk flowers they're not cheap, okay? But if you get them on sale, you can definitely spend less. Let's go ahead and just add these in. Okay, so this is a complete look. These are just wedding decor. You can place them anywhere around your venue, your reception area. You can use them for your ceremony area. They'll be nice by a pergola, by the base of the post of the pergola, and just anywhere to your liking. Thanks again for watching. If you have any questions, just leave them below, and remember to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks.